Miracle Trio Turmeric Black Pepper Olive Oil Recipe. Turmeric is a medicinal herb and spice that has lots of health benefits and then some. When eaten together with some other ingredients, these benefits can be doubled, even quadrupled. That's why the recipe we are about to give you includes another herb to get the most out of turmeric. The mixture consists of black pepper and olive oil. Turmeric is not easily absorbed in the intestines, but this is an easy problem to deal with. Researches show that combining the piperine in black pepper with the curcumin in turmeric enhances curcumin absorption significantly. Simply adding a teaspoon of olive oil to this mixture increases the absorption even further. This result is a miraculous mixture, all natural and easy to make. Now, before we examine what this mixture is good for, let's take a look at how it is prepared. Preparation. You can add this mixture to a cup of warm milk. You can also mix it with yogurt. Maximum health benefits are achieved by heating and mixing it with yogurt. The mixture can be added to salads or soups. If you are planning to add it to a soup or a cooked meal, make sure that you add the mixture just a few minutes before the cooking process is completed. Turmeric is moderately sensitive to heat, so there is no need to keep it boiling for too long. Recommended ratios for the mixture: 2 teaspoons of turmeric, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. The ideal daily dosage for turmeric is 1 to 2 grams. 1 gram of turmeric is equal to a full teaspoon. You can also use turmeric capsules bought from a pharmacy if you don't like the taste. You can use this mixture as much as you want so that you can have these wonderful health benefits all the time. Health benefits of turmeric black pepper olive oil mixture. 1. Prevents inflammation. If you're experiencing chronic inflammation and pain, this is just the perfect cure for you. Chronic inflammation speeds up the aging process. When the inflammation is inhibited, tissues heal naturally and organs become fully functional again, which is the best way to slow down the aging process. The active ingredient curcumin in turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Patients report that their rheumatic pain decreases dramatically after using turmeric. 2. Prevents Alzheimer's and dementia. The blood-brain barrier surrounds most of the blood vessels in the brain, preventing passage from a limited number of materials. The active ingredient curcumin found in turmeric can pass through this barrier and help with many functions of the brain. Turmeric increases the number of BDNF, the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is a protein produced inside nerve cells. BDNF builds and maintains the brain circuits which allow brain signals to travel. Curcumin also breaks up the amyloid plaques. These are the toxic protein clumps that build up in Alzheimer's disease. 3. Fights cancer. Turmeric has been studied as a beneficial herb in cancer treatment and has been found to prevent buildup of cancer cells. Curcumin fights cancer by preventing the formation of new arteries that may possibly feed the area with the tumor. Curcumin supports and enhances both chemotherapy and radiotherapy. According to the research conducted by Dr. William Lavallée, curcumin doesn't affect healthy cells but targets only cancerous cells. This research also shows that curcumin decreases the inflammation in the body first, then prevents a protein synthesis that may be the cause of tumor formation, and destroys sick, cancerous cells in the body. But most importantly, curcumin prevents tumors from turning into cancer. 4. Boosts cardiovascular health. It has been observed that turmeric lowers LDL, the bad cholesterol, and prevents blood coagulation and embolism. Curcumin, the active ingredient of turmeric, cleans the plaques in arteries. A research conducted in Niigata University of Pharmacy and Applied Life Sciences in 2011 shows male rats that consume turmeric for 3 weeks have better heart health. As curcumin is very effective in getting rid of plaques, it is considered to be the #1 inhibitor of sudden heart attacks. 5. Speeds up metabolism and enables weight loss. The active ingredient piperine in the black pepper increases the absorption of the curcumin in turmeric up to 1000%. This may result in an acceleration of metabolic rate. Black pepper also facilitates the absorption of valuable vitamins such as vitamin B and C. Turmeric used with black pepper increases the rate of fat burning. So, if you want to lose weight, you can drink this mixture half an hour before breakfast. 6. Keeps the liver healthy. Curcumin stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile and helps the gallbladder empty itself. Besides, it protects the liver from toxicity and helps liver cells to rejuvenate themselves. Curcumin is also used to protect the liver against fatty liver disease. 7. Reduces the symptoms of depression. Some researchers show that curcumin can be used to increase the dopamine and serotonin levels in the brain. According to these studies, curcumin can be as effective as an antidepressant. The active ingredient of turmeric, curcumin, reduces stress and supports the immune system. It has also beneficial properties on the central nervous system. 8. It can help prevent type 2 diabetes. Turmeric provides protection against conditions such as insulin resistance and hyperglycemia. When consumed regularly, it lowers the risk of getting diabetes. If you're experiencing sudden sugar spikes, you can add this mixture to your diet while you are using diabetes drugs. However, don't forget to inform your doctor that you are using this mixture. 9. Rejuvenates and repairs the skin. Thanks to its antibacterial properties, turmeric can be used to reduce acne and any resulting scars. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant agent and balances the pH level of the body, which means having a younger body and smoother skin in the long run. You may want to try a turmeric face mask for a shiny and healthy skin. You can also mix turmeric, yogurt, and honey and apply directly to your skin. After highlighting these benefits of turmeric, let's take a look at some safety concerns. You have to limit your turmeric consumption if you have kidney stones or bile duct obstruction. Too much turmeric increases the risk of getting kidney stones. Turmeric contains significant amount of oxalate, which can form calcium oxalate kidney stones. Turmeric is not advised to pregnant women as it increases the risk of miscarriage. It can also increase stomach acid in some individuals. Lastly, we should bear in mind the effect of turmeric on blood coagulation. If you are using an anticoagulant drug, you should consult your doctor before using turmeric. In case of an operation, you should stop taking turmeric 2 weeks before the operation.